Okay, in this video, we have to find arc length. So first of all, you need to understand what is arc length, okay? So if you have a circle and the center is here, let's say the radius is r and it is making an angle, of let's say x degree, okay? So this arc length here is, let's say, L. So how we will find the arc length L? So the formula for this one is arc length L is equal x divided 360 times 2 pi r. For example, if this angle is, let's say, 60 degree, then you will put x equals 60 degree, divide 360, multiply 2 pi, and let's say radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, from here to here. So multiply with 5. You can solve this and you will get your arc length as answer. Okay, this is the formula which you need to remember to find out the arc length when you have angle and radius is given. Okay, now let's check the question from example 26. Now in this question you have a ferry wheel. So this ferry wheel, let me draw it. Don't mind my drawing. Okay, I'm not good at drawing. So okay, now let's say this center is here L. This is radius, making FG. Here this is making 40-degree angle. Then you have this side, this side. The name, this is K, J, and H. And here it is making 60-degree angle. So now let's check our questions one by one. Question number 26. Find measure of arc FG. Now FG is this one, right? And you know that if on the center the angle is 40 degree, then it will make the same angle. This is 40 degree. This will also be 40 degree. This is very simple. Okay. Now, do we have radius given in this question? No, we don't have radius given. But if you want to find in terms of radius, or if you want to solve it, then you can solve using this formula. L is equal x degree divided by 360 degree times 2 pi r. So the answer will come in terms of r because the radius is not given in the question. Okay, but here this is the answer. Now 27, arc of MJH, measurement of arc JH. So where is JH? JH is this one, and it is making an angle 60 degree on the center, so this will also be 60 degree. 28, let me use a different color here now. Arc of measurement of arc JKF. So JKF, this one, right? Now let me look at this clearly. Okay, so this seems a diameter here. Okay, let me redraw my drawing here because this is a diameter. So it is completely, yeah, this is a diameter, right? So diameter divide in the half circle, right? So half circle angle is 180 degree. So this will make how much? 180 degree angle. Next is 29. Measurement of arc JFH. J, F, H. So as you can see here, this is starting from J, F, H all the way here, right? So the total angle is 360 and this angle is given 360. So what you will do to find this, 360 minus 16. So your arc measurement will be 300 degree, right? Next question, question number 40. Measurement of arc GH. Now start from GH and F. It is going all the way from G, H, and F up to this. So again, this is 360 minus 40 degree. This will come as 320 degree. Next question, we have 31. Measurement of arc GHK. Let's check this again. Up to this. So again, it is making a diameter here. So again, it is a half circle, right? You can see this is kind of a diameter. So it is making a half circle. So this will be again 180 degree. Next we have 32. M H K H to K. This is going from here to here, right? Now if you see these two are vertical angles, so if this is 40, this will also be 40 degree, right? And one second. Okay, this is 40, so this will also be 40, and it is asking from H to K. So this is 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40. This will give you how much? 100, right? Okay, so I guess let me complete that. I think you can solve rest of the question, but just to make sure you don't do mistake, let me complete all of them. Measurement of arc G, K, and G, right? Okay, J to K to G all the way. Okay, so I know that this is 180, right? This is half circle. This is 40. So 180 plus 40. 180 plus 40 will give you 220, right? Okay, so far I hope all of you understood. Let's try next question. I don't have a space, so I will have to erase some part from here. You can go back and play the video again if you have confusion or if you have any doubt in the questions. Okay. Next we have 34. So this is measurement of arc K, F, H. K, F, and this is H. Okay, so K, F, and H. So I will go from this point up to this point. So I know this is 100, right? Then in the previous question I have solved. This one is 100, and total is 360. So I can do 360 minus 100. This will give me 260. Also, if you don't know these one, then how will you solve? Then you will go from here. You know this is 180, right? This is also 180. This one is also 180. Now 180 minus 40 plus 60. So this will give you how much? 180 minus 100 will give you 80. So this angle will come out as 80. And this one is 180. 180 plus 80. Again, you will get 260. If this is confusing, then leave this part. You can just try with the previous one. Okay. Okay. Next we have 35. This is the last one. So the next video I will solve from 36 to 41. Oh, okay, we will continue this one. No problem. I'll have to remove all of this. Okay, so next is 35 is H, G, F, and this goes from H, G to F, right? Okay, so yep, this is again total is 180. 180 minus 40. This angle will be 180 minus 40 minus 60. This will be 80 degree, and this is asking H, G, F. So 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40 will give you 120. Or else you can simply see in this way, the total is 180 and this is 60. So 180 minus 60 is 180 minus 60 is 120. So that is this area. So there are two ways. I mean, there are multiple ways you can look at it, but these are your answers. So if you get these are the final answers, then no problem. Okay. So let's try example 5, and which is question number 36 to 41. Let's try them now. I'm removing this. You can go back and watch it again if you have any confusion. Okay, in the next question you have again a circle. Let me draw the circle first. Center is P. Vector is here. This is Q. R. Vector is S. T. Right. This is making angle 130 degree here, and this is making angle 112 degree here. So now the question we have, use circle P to find the length of each arc, okay, round to the nearest 100. So you have to find the length of each arc round to the nearest 100. So question number 36, we have arc RS if the radius is 2 centimeter. If the radius is 2 centimeter. Now RS is this part. So you know the formula for arc length. I told you in this video arc length is x divide 360 degree times 2 pi r, right? So arc length is rs is equal x. So here rs angle is 130 degree divide 360 degree times 2 pi multiply 2. So if you solve this, 0 and 0 cancel, and this will be 13 multiply 13 multiply 4 multiply 5 divide 36. You can solve it using calculator, and let me check your answer. Just a second. Okay. So you know the value of pi. Pi value is 3.14. So if your answer is in numbers, then you put the value of pi. If it is in terms of pi, then just solve 13 multiply 4 divide 36. So then you will get 13 pi divide 9. But if it is not in this term, then you put the value of pi, which is 3.14. Let me write here. Pi value is how much? 3.14. So then multiply with 3.14, and your answer is 4.54. Right? In the, yeah, that's your answer. Right? Any question? I hope not. Okay, so it is said round to the nearest 100. So that's why I rounded here. This place is 10, 100, and this place is 1000. So we have to round up to this point. Okay, next question. Question number 37. You have to find arc length QT if the diameter is 9. If the diameter is 9 centimeter. If the diameter is 9, then radius is diameter divided 2, which is 9 divided 2 will give you 4.5 centimeter. Now you will use again arc length formula. QT is equal, let's check angle. QT in this case, this is 112. 112 divided 360 multiply 2 pi. R is 4.5. Right? Solve this, you will get your answer. So then next question, because this is very easy. Now you can just substitute in your calculator. You can put in your calculator and you will get your answer, right? Okay. Next question we have 38. Yep. Yes. Let me just remove this part from here. Okay, almost done. Yes. Okay. You can skip this part or you can move forward. Okay, no problem. Next question we have 38, right? 38 is asking for QR, and if PS is 4 millimeter, PS is 4 millimeter, so QR is this part, right? Yes, what it is. And PS is 4 millimeter, so this is 4 millimeter. So basically it is, now it is given radius as 4 millimeter. So if this is 4 millimeter, then this will be 4 millimeter, this will also be 4 millimeter. All the radius is same, so everything will be 4 millimeter, right? Now you have to first check how will you see the angle. Now problem is, how will you see the angle? Now if this is, if you see in the question, the only way I can see here that this RT is, looks like diameter to me, right? Don't mind my drawing because you can see the figure in your books. So this this looks to me diameter. Okay, now if this is diameter, this angle is 112, so this will be 180 minus 112, 112. So you can find this angle here. So how much will be this angle? 180 minus 112 will give you 68. How much will give you? 68 degrees. So I'll do this for this angle also. 180 minus 130, and this will give me 50 degrees, right? So now I know all the angles. So if no matter if it asks me this side, this arc length, or any arc length, if you know the radius, you can find all the arc length, right? So let me solve this one also, and then I'll leave the rest to you to solve. So this one is QR. So arc length QR is equal, angle is 368 divided by 360 multiply 2 pi r, right? So r is 4 millimeter. So now if you want to find your answer in millimeter, then you can simply write 4. But if you have options in centimeter, so first you will have to change this to centimeter, right? So 1 meter, you know, 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal 10 millimeter, right? So 1 millimeter will be equal to 1 over 10 centimeter. So I'm solving in terms of millimeter. You can further solve in terms of centimeter using these conversion. Sorry. So let's solve this. Now it's very simple. 68 multiply 2 multiply 4 divide with 360. This will give you, and it is asking us to solve nearest 100. So obviously we need to multiply with 3.14. This will give me 4.74, right? Yes. So that's your answer. So now you can try rest of the question by yourself, and that's it for this video, right? I hope you understood. If you still have any question, you can drop me a message on Telegram.